Hi there. I'm Michael Creason. I'm the Technical Director of Coda Audio USA, and we're at InfoComm 2026 introducing our new set of cardioid loudspeakers. This is our ViFORCE loudspeaker. It is consisting of two 8-inch low-frequency drivers mounted on our dynamic air cooling baffle, along with our patented dual diaphragm planar wave driver. This is a unique cardioid system because in addition to the front-facing drivers, we have our 6.5-inch drivers mounted in the back, on the sides, and so this is part of our patent-pending wideband cardioid system. Many cardioid systems that are in existence have decent rejection in the rear, but are not so good on the sides. As well as they are generally only controlling one octave, where the ViFORCE is controlling 3 octaves and has significantly better rejection on the side and the rear consistently. This is the subwoofer that is matching that system. It is called the Subwoofer 35. It is consisting of 3 15-inch drivers, 2 forward-facing and 1 in the rear. What's unique about this cardioid sub is that unlike standard cardioid subs that cannot be put in front of a wall or a baffle surface, this loudspeaker will continue to operate normally when it is placed right against a wall. These are all powered by our Coda Audio flagship amplifier called the Linus 14. Thanks for taking the time, and you can find us at codaaudio.com.